Today my topic, the explanation of some Islamic terminologies. First one, fardh. What is fardh? Fardh means is an act every Muslim must do. It is ruling. Its date is obligatory. To do it and not doing it is a grave sin. For example, 5 prayer for every Muslim. The next one of wajib. Wajib means is also most like fardh but slightly lower. Same rolling like fardh. For example, the sacrifice of Eid al-Azha. Next one is sunnah. Sunnah means is the way of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in words and deeds. It is a rolling. Its date is a reward in doing this. For example, Friday bath and other things. Next one is last one, haram. Haram mean is strictly forbidden in Islam. It is rolling. Its date is a grave sin to do so. For example, drink alcohol. It is obligatory upon us to understand and remember it and Friday. May Allah grant me and you that ability to act upon it, inshallah. Our remember this point is the end. Wajib is like fardh, but the one who denies fardh become a disbeliever. I mean is kafir, and the one who denies wajib is a sinner. Sinner mean is fasiq.